Welcome to today's video. Today we're tackling a common problem that macOS users might encounter. On Sonoma 14.5, customizing app icons can be a hassle, especially when they revert to default after updates. But fret not, we have a solution to automate this tedious task and make your life easier. The solution lies in utilizing AppleScriptObjC to leverage and swap-space set icon for File, Options, Method. By incorporating this script, you can easily set custom icons for your applications without breaking code signing or facing permission issues. Holding down the Option key while running the script allows you to remove custom icons, providing flexibility in managing your app icons effortlessly. This efficient approach streamlines the process and ensures a seamless experience when customizing icons on macOS. In summary, using AppleScriptObjC with the provided script simplifies the task of setting custom icons for applications on macOS. By following the outlined steps, you can easily customize app icons and enjoy a personalized desktop experience. We hope this solution proves helpful in managing your app icons effectively. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a witty comment below.